How's your stay at the hotel?
It's been great. How about yours?
It's good too. How long are you staying?
I'm staying for a week. What about you?
I'm here for 3 days. What brings you here?
I'm on vacation, just exploring the city. And you?
I'm here for business meetings. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I work in finance. What do you like most about the city so far?
I love the local food and the historical sites. Have you visited any attractions?
Not yet, but I plan to visit a few museums. Any recommendations?
Definitely check out the City Museum. It's very interesting.
Thanks. I'll make sure to visit. How's the hotel service been?
It's been excellent. The staff are very helpful.
I agree. The staff here are great. Have you tried the hotel's restaurant?
Yes, the food is delicious. I had breakfast there this morning.
That's good to hear. I'll try it out. How's the Wi-Fi here?
It's fast and reliable. No issues so far.
Great. I need good Wi-Fi for work. Are you planning any special activities during your stay?
I'm thinking of taking a city tour and maybe a boat ride. What about you?
I might explore some local shops and cafes. Have you visited any local markets?
Yes, there's a great market downtown with lots of local crafts.
Sounds interesting. I'll check it out. How's the weather been?
It's been quite pleasant, not too hot or cold.
That's good. Perfect weather for sightseeing. How do you usually spend your evenings here?
I like to relax at the cafe or take a walk around the area.
That sounds nice. I might do the same. Have you had any issues with your room?
No, everything's been perfect.
No issues at all. It's been very comfortable. Do you need any tips on places to visit?
If you have any, I'd love to hear them.
Sure, I'll share some good spots. What's your favorite part of the city so far?
I really enjoyed the historic district. It's full of charm.
I'll definitely visit that area. Do you have any plans for tonight?
I'm thinking of going to a local event. What about you?
I might just relax at the hotel and catch up on some work.
Sounds like a good plan. If you need any recommendations, let me know.
Will do. Thanks. It's been great talking to you.
Likewise. Enjoy your stay.
You too. After 1 month. It's been a while. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. How's your routine these days?
Mostly work and trying to relax in the evenings. You?
Similar, with some reading or a walk. How's your family?
They're doing well. How's yours?
Everyone's fine. Picked up any new hobbies?
I've started cooking more. You?
I'm into meditation now. How's work?
It's challenging but good. You?
Busy but fine. Any big plans?
Not really. You?
Just going with the flow. It's been great catching up.
Definitely. Let's do this again soon.
Take care. So, what's been the highlight of your week so far?
That's awesome. What kind of books do you usually read?
Mostly fiction, but I enjoy a good biography too. What about you?
I'm into thrillers and some self-help books. They keep me hooked.
Nice. Have you watched any good movies or shows lately?
I just started a new series, pretty interesting so far. What about you?
I watched a documentary that was really thought-provoking.
Sounds intriguing. I should watch it sometime. How do you usually spend your weekends?
I try to mix in some relaxation and catch up on things I couldn't get to during the week. You?
I like to go for a walk or visit a cafe. Keeps the weekends refreshing.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can catch up over coffee sometime.
I'd love that. Let's plan for it soon.
Definitely. It's been great chatting with you.
Likewise. Take care until we meet.
Not lately, but I'm thinking of checking out a bakery that just opened nearby. I've heard good things about it.
That sounds delicious. We should go there together sometime.
Absolutely, it would be fun. How about this weekend?
I'm in. Let's plan for Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. We can catch up more in person. How's your social life been lately?
It's been pretty quiet, just small gatherings with close friends. How about you?
Same here, keeping things low-key. But it's nice to stay connected with the people who matter.
Definitely. Quality time with friends and family is what I value most these days.
Agreed. Life's been so busy, it's important to make time for the important things.
Exactly. I'm really looking forward to our catch-up this weekend.
Me too. It's going to be great to hang out and relax.
It really will. Let's stay in touch and finalize the details later.
Sounds good. Take care, and talk soon.
You too. Can't wait for Saturday.